So today I have a video that I'm really excited for. I cannot tell you guys how long I have been waiting for some of these products that are in this video, and I have just been waiting to put them in a makeup look and to just like share them with you guys because I love every single product that I've used in this video so much. So for today's look, last month I shared these photos with you guys on Instagram and you guys really liked them. So this is sort of an updated and recreated version of this look. And also I'm really excited because this video is in partner with Kaja. And if you guys don't know, Kaja is a newly launched brand from Sephora. It is Sephora exclusive and it is a Korean beauty inspired brand. And you guys know I love Korean beauty. So when I saw that Sephora was doing stuff like this, I was just so excited. And I've tried out a lot of products from Kaja already, so I was just really excited that they were launching even more things. And today we're going to be trying out one of their latest launches, the Wink Stamp Set. And I'm going to get into showing you guys how this product works and how easy it is to use. So we have a lot of things to cover today in this video, so let's just get right into it. So I pinned back my hair and I'm going to start with my base makeup. And first I'm going to prime by using the priming moisturizer from Glossier, and this is a really lightweight product and I like it a lot because it is a 2-in-1 product, so I can prime and moisturize my skin at the same time. Next I'm going to go into one of my latest favorite products, and this is the Dream Puff primer from Kaja. I only tried this once before, but already this is like one of my newest favorite products. I just kind of flatten it in my hands and then I dab this onto my face. Like you can see like already how shiny and radiant this is. I'm super in love with this primer. I find that this is more of like a highlighting step underneath my foundation. That's why I started off with the priming moisturizer from Glossier as well as this step. I think it looks really amazing under foundation. Next I'm going in really quickly with some BB cream, and this is the Dear Klairs Illuminating Supple Blemish Cream. And I used this recently with you guys in another makeup tutorial video, and I thought that maybe I should try something new for you guys. I was just like, I couldn't resist the temptation because this is truly like my favorite foundation right now. Like I can't get enough of it, so I just had to use it in this video. As I mentioned in my previous videos, this is my go-to BB cream. I love how comfortable and lightweight it is, and I think it just has this really amazing glass skin effect, especially when I layer it on top of an illuminating primer. Next I'm going to prep my lips with some colored lip balm, and this is the cherrybalm.com from Glossier, and I'm just going to apply this on the center of my lips using a lip brush. And I think the color for this is really nice. It's like such a light pink and it's just really cute, and I think it's like really flattering for a lot of skin tones. So next let's go into blush, and this is a product that I was especially excited to try. I don't exactly remember the name of this product and I don't see it on the label either, but I'm pretty sure it's called something like the Serum Drop Blush, and this is from M Cosmetics and in the color Soft Amethyst. Look at how cute these are. I love the packaging. I thought it was like so like unique and creative. So I was especially excited about this because it is a serum drop blush. So not only is it makeup, it's also like a sort of mix between skincare, which those kind of products are like my favorite products ever because yeah, like you know, we're thinking about makeup, but we also want to think about our skin as well. When it comes to products for glass skin, I find that using products that are in combination with skincare gives you the most like effortless glass skin look. So for these serum drops in particular, they're mixed with all sorts of like oils that are really healthy for the skin, and that's how I can get my skin to look like so hydrated and so glossy, even though technically like I'm wearing makeup. So this is my face makeup all good to go. Now I'm just going to scoot you guys in closer so we can get started on our eye makeup. So first for the base of my eyes, I'm going in with this Moon Crystal from Kaja, and this is in the color number 1, Goddess. So this is a really pigmented liquid eyeshadow, so I just need very little to cover both of my eyelids. And also using my fingertips, I'm just going to apply this on the inner corners as well. Then I'm just going to bring a little wash of a pinky color onto the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm going into my One Shot eye palette from Chika Ichiko, and really lightly I'm just going to be applying a light wash of this all over my eyelid, staying just below the crease. And then with this dark burgundy color, I'm going very lightly onto the outer corners, and I'm staying pretty close to my lash line. And then I'm also going to drag this onto my lower lash line as well. And now we're going to move into our eyeliner, and this is truly the star of the show. This is the Wink Stamp eyeliner set from Kaja, and this is newly released at Sephora. So in this set, it comes with 2 products, and this one is the eyeliner stamp, and then over here I have the eyeliner. It's really nice that it comes in a set of 2, you know, for like lazy days to like really easily wing out your eyeliner when you don't want to. But even this like eyeliner by itself, I think this already is really worth the price. It's really pigmented and it's also smudge proof and really long lasting. So for this stamp, there's a left side and also a right side, and you know, left and right eyes. So I'm going to start by doing my left eye. So first you kind of want to find the angle that you want your eyeliner to be at, and yeah, that's going to determine the angle of how I hold my stamp. Then using the eyeliner that came in the set, I'm just going to connect this wing to my eyelashes, and I'm just going to like fill in the little space. And there you go, there's my signature cat eye. I also extended it slightly at the edge just because I wanted it to be like a little bit longer, and that is it. It was like super easy. It's just like a 1 and 2 step. So now I'm taking the right side of the stamp and I'm just going to stamp this onto the right side of my eye. So actually my eyes as a result look more even than they usually do when I do my own eyeliner. So yeah, I've got my little wings on the side. I wanted to add a little like stamp heart onto my like lower like eye right here. So I'm using the tattoo stamp from Milk Makeup, and this is in the heart shape. And I'm just going to stamp this onto my upper cheek. I think I used this stamp too much, so it's like not as pigmented as it should be. So I'm just going to go back into my Kaja eyeliner and I'm just going to fill that in. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara really quick. And the mascara that I'm wearing today is my ultimate favorite summer mascara. This is the Kush Waterproof Mascara from Milk Makeup. I really like the packaging. It's such like a stunning, cute blue. And I had tried their original Kush mascara, and I gotta say, I hated it with a passion. It was really chunky, it wasn't waterproof, and it just like smeared everywhere all the time. But for some reason, this waterproof version, it fixes all of those problems for me. It has a really nice lengthening formula, but it's not chunky at all, and I love that it's waterproof. Having a waterproof mascara is definitely a must for me at all times. So this is by far probably like my favorite mascara ever. Can you guys see like how like long and amazing my eyelashes look? I feel like this mascara makes me look like I'm wearing eyelash extensions when I'm not. So that is it for my eyes. Now I can zoom myself back out, and then we are going to do our lips. So when I first originally posted a photo of myself wearing this wig, a lot of you guys asked what lip tint I was wearing, and this is the lip tint from Naked Face, and I'm using the color number 1. I don't exactly remember what the product name is, but it will be down below for you guys. And I really, really love this lip tint. It's like so like juicy looking, if that makes sense. It does get a little bit drying as with like the majority of lip tints, but as long as I like layer on maybe something moisturizing on top, like I don't see that as much of an issue. So I'm just going to be using this lip tint to create a gradient lip, and then to seal everything off and make everything look like really like juicy and plump, I'm just going to be adding on top a really, really glossy lip lacquer. So this is another product that I was really, really excited to use in this video, and this is the Naked Face lip gloss. So this is like an extremely glossy lip gloss, and I think it just looks really, really cute on top of a red lip. So I'm just going to apply this. Look at how like extremely glossy this is. So with this lip gloss, it is very plumping, so it does have that kind of like burning minty sensation. For me personally, because I have very sensitive lips, I do think that it is quite strong. So this isn't a product that I would use every day, probably just once in a while, because it is quite strong for me. But like regardless, I love how it looks. I'm done with my makeup. Let me just fix my hair a little bit. And that is it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I seriously had so much fun making this video because, again, I had just a lot of products that I have been really, really wanting to try and really wanting to incorporate into like a makeup look. So yeah, this is the result of all of those products that I really wanted to try for a long time. And thank you again to Kaja for partnering with me to make this video possible. The Wink Stamp set is now available at Sephora, so you guys can go to any Sephora and check that out, or even go to the Sephora website and order that. And like you saw in this video, there are also like a lot of other products from Kaja that I love as well, so I would definitely recommend those. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys again next time.